Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video it is time for a new nail polish of the week one. In my nail polish of the week videos I always choose one random color from my nail polish collection, which is quite big to be honest, and I just live swatch and talk about that one specific polish. So yeah, grab your nail supplies and paint your nails together with me. This is the time to do so, and of course leave a comment as well telling me what you're wearing at the moment. And if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube as well. But first of all, make sure that you have removed your previous manicure if you had any polish on it, or just go over your nails with a little bit of rubbing alcohol or acetone to make sure that your nails are completely clean, oil and dust free before going in with your base coat. And for today's base coat, you guys have heard me rant, or at least rave, I have to say, because I'm really happy with this base coat. You've just heard me rave about it non-stop. It is the base coat from PJR Care nail polish. It is actually a Dutch brand and I do have a 25% discount code if you want to check it out yourself. They do ship to other countries as well, so if you aren't Dutch like me and living in the Netherlands, you can definitely get some of that yourself. But this base coat, I've been using it for a really long time and I've even had people commenting on previous videos that they really see a difference in discoloration and stains of my natural nails, because I wear nail polish like non-stop. I swatch a lot, I try out a lot, I use highly pigmented colors as well. My natural nail plate can have a little bit of discoloration going on from time to time, and people have really noticed a difference and that my nails are actually less stained. I don't feel like my nails were that stained to begin with, but it's really cool that other people actually notice a difference. So yeah, it's a really cool and really fast drying base coat. But the polish that I'm going to do a full-on swatcheroo of in this video is one by Essie. This one is called Ladylike. I have bought it, I think like 5 months, maybe even 6 months ago at my local drugstore. I actually went online and they had a really cool discount going on, like buy one get one free, or like a 50% discount or something. That kind of is the same, but you know what I mean. So yeah, I actually got this one for only €5 instead of 10. Essie is quite expensive here in the Netherlands, or at least that is my opinion. When it comes to drugstore polishes, I feel like €6 is kind of like the maximum I want to spend on a drugstore polish. So yeah, having the opportunity to actually get Essie polishes for 50% off of their original price is a big win for me. And of course, I'm Dutch. I like to save some money and keep my bank account happy and also get some new polishes in the mail, you know? But I have ordered these online from my local drugstore. I think you can get Essie polishes pretty easily online no matter where you are from. But I just decided to get them online because of the whole like pandemic going on. I don't like to go out to stores and just see a lot of people, because I already see too many people at my regular daytime job and I just don't want any extra like risk of getting health issues and stuff like that, you know. I just prefer being careful, so I'd rather order online, and that is something that I would recommend all of you to do. Just if it's possible, just order your stuff online when it comes to groceries or anything like that. I think it's a really like big thing, or actually kind of like a small thing you can do to make a change, if you know what I mean. But yeah, that was just a little side rant from me. Let's get back to the polish, because I've already applied that first coat. It is a very sheer polish, and that is something that I have noticed from the older colors from Essie. This one is from like an older like standard collection as well. It actually needs 3 coats in my opinion, or at least on my natural nails, because the second coat wasn't fully opaque yet either. But for the sake of the video and to not make it like half an hour long, I just decided to add 2 coats to show you what it is capable of like opacity wise with just 2 layers. If you do have shorter nails, I think that 2 coats is good for you. You can just easily wing it, just apply 2 thin layers and you're good to go. But I really love my manicures to be fully opaque, and I don't like my natural smile line peeking through or anything like that. So looking back at this footage that I actually recorded, I think it was December or something like that, I do feel like if I would use this color again as a full-on manicure, I would definitely go in with a 3rd coat, because as you can see, it is still a little patchy, especially on the free edge kind of part of my nails. But then again, I do have quite long natural nails, and I totally understand that not everyone has this length of nails, like natural nails. So yeah, if you have shorter nails and it is completely opaque to the naked eye with 2 coats, just go for 2 coats. But personally, I am going to use a 3rd layer if I am going to use this polish in the future. It is a very nice wearable color though, so it isn't like I'm bashing this nail polish completely. Like, it is just a little sheer, but it is a very nice neutral brown, like nude kind of color, which is very wearable and very appropriate for any time of year, to be honest. So yeah, it is a little sheer, but that is something that I've noticed with older Essie polishes. Like, the newer collections are spot on. Those are bomb.com. Like, those are insane. Like, a lot of their creamy polishes are actually completely opaque in just 1 coat or just 2 thin coats, and that is pretty cool. So yeah, don't be like all frightened or scared if you do have a polish like this from their older colors that is a little sheer. Like, their newer collections and formulas are actually really good. So definitely don't hold back on trying some of those newer ones. So yeah, I am already going in with the top coat, which is by PJR Care nail polish as well. Once again, I am in love with that mirror shine top coat as well. It is of course a regular top coat. You don't have to cure anything or any other product that I'm using in this video, just for the record. I still get so many questions if the nail polishes that I use are gel polishes and you have to cure them. No, you don't. I will explicitly tell you if it is a gel polish and you have to cure it. And of course, then I will also like mention how long you have to cure it for in LED, of course. So yeah, all of the polishes in my nail polish of the week videos are just regular polishes. You don't have to cure them. So yeah, I am pretty much loving this color. Once again, I will add a 3rd layer to make it fully opaque, but as you can see here on the thumb, it was like pretty much opaque, as well as the pointer finger. I just see some patchiness going on the middle finger and the ring finger as well. So yeah, I don't know, a 3rd coat would be kind of nice. But yeah, that is pretty much my entire video already. I really hope you liked this nail polish of the week video. Once again, this one is called Ladylike. It is by Essie. It is about 10 euros here in the Netherlands, but prices may vary depending on where you live. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, watching my videos and leaving comments. I really hope you liked it, and as usual, I hope to see you in one of my next videos.